how to upload photo on fantasy football. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a photo on fantasy football. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, you have to select the photo that you want to make it as your profile photo, and then you press on edit. And you make sure that the photo is on a squared format just to make sure the photo is gonna match up. And after that, you have to go to this website. It's called postimages.org, and then you press on choose an image, and after that you're going to have to select your image right here, and you scroll down, and then you have to copy this link, not the first one but the second link. You press on copy, and then you have to open up your fantasy football app and press on my team, and then you have to press on this icon right here, and then you press on edit, and after that you have to press on use an image from the web, and then you have to paste the link that you got from the website, and there you go, and then you press on save, and there you go. So that's basically how you can upload photo on fantasy football. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.